In this video, I'm going to showcase my dirty screen post-process shader that I have developed in Unreal Engine 4. This shader has 6 exposed parameters that allows you to control various properties of the dirty screen effect. The texture parameter controls the texture. The invert texture parameter inverts the texture. The brightness parameter controls the brightness. The contrast parameter controls the contrast. The tiling and offset parameter controls the UV tiling and offset. The red and green channels controls the tiling, and the blue and alpha channel controls the offset. Use a negative tiling value to flip the UVs. The rotation parameter controls the rotation angle and anchor point position. The red channel controls the angle, the green channel controls the anchor point on the U-axis, and the blue channel controls the anchor point on the V-axis. Use degrees for the rotation angle.